Car won't start? Don't worry just yet. Here are 3 quick things to check before calling a tow truck. First, check the battery. If you turn the key and just hear a clicking sound, it's probably a dead battery or a loose connection. You can try a jump start or look for corrosion on the battery terminals. Next, if the lights and radio work but the engine doesn't turn over, it might be the starter. Starters can go bad without much warning, especially in older cars, and if the engine cranks but won't actually start, it could be a fuel or ignition issue, like low gas, a clogged fuel filter, or maybe a bad ignition coil. If you're in San Antonio, I'll come to you. I've got over 10 years of experience, and I keep it honest and affordable. Call or text me at 726-250-4688. I'll help you figure it out.